In today's class, we will discuss part 2 of exercise 3.3, that is solution of question number 7 to question number 12. Hello everyone, I am Payel and welcome back to my channel PDR Learning Point. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Now come to question number 7. The adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. It is already given. Find the angle measures x, y and z and state the properties you use to find them. Here x, y and z, three angles are given whose measurement we don't know. We have to find it out by using the properties that we have discussed already. Okay. Now, first of all, let us observe the figure very carefully. Here one external angle is given which is 70 degree. So, by using that we can find out this angle very easily. Let us name it as A. Okay. Now, y, this angle is y and here it is z. So, basically this is a triangle and here all the three angles are unknown, we don't know. Okay. Now here it is 40 and x and we know that the opposite sides are parallel. Now first of all let us think that opposite sides are parallel, so a diagonal is there. So by using alternate angles we can find out the measurement of a angle. Hope we can find it out. Now see this side and this side, these two sides are parallel and this is the transversal HP. Okay, then this angle 40 and this is the angle y. These two angles are equal. How? Let me draw it here. E, H, P and O. Okay, now see EH is parallel to PO because it is a parallelogram and HP is the transversal here and this angle is given as 40 degree and name of this angle is y. Okay, so from here we can say that y equals to 40 degree. Why? Because they are alternate angles. Okay, alternate angles. Okay, now we have got the measurement of this angle y, which is 40 degree. Okay, now this angle we know 40 degree and measurement of angle A we can find out because this angle A and 70 degree has made a linear pair. Okay, so what we can write now, angle A plus 70 degree equals to 180 degree. So this implies A equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree, which is equals to 110 degree. Okay, so the value of this particular angle is 110 degree. So in place of A we will write this angle as 110 degree. Now we know the measurement of this angle, these two angles, and this is a triangle, so we can easily find out the value of Z here. Now Z plus 110 degree plus 40 degree equals to 180 degree. Which property we have used? Angle sum property of a triangle, that we have to mention here, of triangle. Okay, so here what we will get, Z equals to 180 degree minus 150 degree, which is equals to 30 degree. That means the value of Z is here 30 degree. Okay, now we are left with x. Now we know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So x is equals to 110 degree because this angle and this angle x is opposite and it is a parallelogram. So here we will write that x equals to 110 degree because opposite angles of the parallelogram HOPE. Okay, this is the reason here. So here we have got the result that x is our 110 degree, y is 40 degree and z is 30 degree. Hope you have understood this. This is very easy. Now move to the next sum, question number 8. The following figures GUNS and RUNS are parallelograms. Find x and y length are in centimeter. Okay, number 1. this is the figure GUNS. It is already given that it is a parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram means what here? Okay, first of all, what is given? The measurement of the sides are given. Okay, and we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are of equal measure. So we will start like this. In parallelogram GUNS, okay, the side GU is equals to SN. Okay, this side is GU is equals to SN. That means the measurement of GU is given as thrice y minus 1 equals to 26. So just we will solve it. 26 plus 1, so thrice y equals to 27, or y equals to 27 divided by 3. That means y equals to 9, or rather we can say it is 9 centimeter, because it is given the lengths are in centimeters. So y equals to 9 centimeter. Okay, so here the value of y you have got. Similarly, as it is a parallelogram, so these two sides are also equal. So here we will write SG is also equals to NU. The measurement of SG is given as thrice x. NU is 18. So x equals to what? 18 divided by 3. So 6, or we can say 6 centimeter. Okay, this is very easy. Just we have to use the properties of a parallelogram. Okay, move to the next one. Okay, see, number 2, here diagonals are given and the main focus is on diagonals only, and as it is given RUNS is a parallelogram, and we know that a property of a parallelogram that diagonals bisect each other. Okay, now let us name this point, the point of intersection, as O. Okay, now in parallelogram RUNS, this parallelogram, okay, RUNS, we can write, see, first of all we will take this OR equals to ON. OR equals to ON. Why? Because diagonals bisect each other. So the value of OR is how much? 16, and ON is x plus y, or we can simply write x plus y equals to 16, equation number 1. Okay, now come to next one, that we'll write here OU is equals to OS. That means OU, this part, is equals to OS, this part. Okay, as they are bisected each other, so that's why they are equal. So OU is y plus 7 equals to OS is 20. Now from here easily we can find out the value of y. 20 minus 7. So 20 minus 7 is 13. So the value of y we know as 13. Now here just we will put the value of y. 13. Let us name it equation 2. So from where we have got this value? From equation 2. Okay. So y equal to 13. Now x equals to 16 minus 13. So this implies x equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, here also we will write y equals to 13 centimeter. Okay, so this is very easy. Hope you have understood this. Now come to question number 9. So this is very easy sum. Just if you look at the figure, you will think, wow, what a tough sum we have got. Actually not. It is a very easy sum. Just let us discuss it. Okay. First of all, what is given? Whatever picture is given. So let us start with the statement what is given to us. In the above figure, both RISK and CLUE are parallelograms. So here two parallelograms are given, RISK. RISK. Okay, so let us draw it. Just a rough sketch, RISK. Okay, and CLUE. So this is the CLUE. Okay. Now actually what they have done, they have just brought this parallelograms together and they have intersected at this point. Okay, at this point they have intersected, and that's why it has formed a small triangular shape. And from here we have to find out the value of x. Now see, as it is a small triangle, so obviously we have to use some properties of a triangle to find out the value of x. Now as we don't know the measurement of other two angles, so how we can find out the value of x? Okay, now is it possible to find out the value of these two angles? Let us see. Now CLUE, okay, that means here if we want to find out the value of this angle, the name of this angle is CEU. CEU, that means this angle. The value of this angle we have to find out. Okay, now if we talk about this particular angle, this name of this angle is ISK. Okay, ISK. Okay, this is another angle of the parallelogram RISK. Now from these two separate parallelograms we can easily find out the value of this particular angles. Now say how? Now see, it is given as 70 degree. The measurement of this particular angle is given as 70 degree. So let us write it 70 degree. Okay, and here the value of angle K is given as 120 degree. 120 degree. Okay, now we have to find out the value of this angle, that means CEU. Okay, now see, this angle is opposite to the angle whose measurement is 70 degree. That means this angle is equals to 70 degree. Okay, so angle CEU is equals to 70 degree. Why? Opposite angles of parallelogram CLUE. Okay, from here we have got it. Now here we have to focus on this angle KSI. Okay, now angle KSI plus KSI and this angle 120 degree, these two are adjacent angles and their sum is 180 degree. That is also a property of parallelogram, that the sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree. Okay, or they are supplementary. So here what we will write? Angle KSI and angle SKR are adjacent angles of parallelogram RISK. Okay, see, in place of SKR I have directly written 120 degree. In place of SKR, okay, I have written 120 degree. So angle KSI equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equals to 60 degree. Okay, so finally we have got the value of these two angles. Yes, now we will just name this as O. This point of intersection we will name it as O. Now from triangle OES, what we will get? Angle OES plus angle OSE plus angle EOS is equals to 180 degree. OES, okay, this we are talking about this angle. OES can be written as CEU. Okay, so CEU. See, just we have extended the lines. OES, CEU, same angle only. Okay, plus OSE, this angle. ISKA, same angle only. ISK plus EOS, the name is X. So we will put the X, 180 degree. Now the value of CEU is 70 degree plus the value of ISK or KSI, same angle only, is 60 degree plus X equals to 180 degree. Now this implies X equals to 180 degree minus 130 degree, which is equals to how much? 50 degree. Okay, So the value of x is 50 degrees. See, this is very simple sum. Just we have to separate the parallelograms and find out the value of this two particular angles, and then by using the angle sum property of a triangle, we will find the value of x of triangle. Okay. Hope you have understood this. Now move to question number 10. Okay. Explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? Okay. Here we have to use a concept from class 7. Okay. That is, let me discuss first of all, if two lines are parallel, okay, and it has a transversal, then the opposite interior angles, these two are opposite interior angles, and their sum will be equals to 180 degree. Okay, now it may be like this. See, these two lines are parallel and this is the transversal here. Then the interior opposite angles will be these two, and their sum will be equals to 180 degree. Okay, so this is vice versa. If the sum of two interior angles of any two lines is equals to 180 degree, then then those two lines are parallel. Okay, so by using this property only, we will check this one is a trapezium or not. Okay, first of all, what is the property of a trapezium? That only a pair of opposite sides are parallel. Clearly these two sides are not parallel, it is clear. Just we have to check the side MN is parallel to LK or not. Okay, here MN and LK are two lines and ML is the transversal. Here we have to check MN is parallel to LK or not. So here we will write here MN and LK are two lines and ML is the transversal. We have to check MN is parallel to LK or not. Okay, so for this what to do? We have to add these two angles. These two are interior opposite angles of the same side of the transversal. Okay, now angle NML plus MLK equals interior opposite angles of same side of the transversal. If their sum is equals to 180 degree, then it is parallel. Okay, 180. Their measurement is given 100 degree and 80 degree. So this is equals to 180 degree. That means their sum we have got is 180 degree. So therefore MN is parallel to LK because it is the transversal and these two are the interior opposite angles of same side of the transversal and their sum is 180 degrees. So that's why MN is parallel to LK. Okay, and other two sides are obviously they are not parallel. From the picture only it is clear. So as this figure has only a pair of opposite sides which is parallel, so that's why it is a trapezium. So yes, we will write yes, MLKN is a trapezium. Okay, so hope it is clear to you. Now move to question number 11. Find measurement of angle C in figure this if AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. These two sides are parallel, it is given. Okay, other two sides are not parallel. From the picture only we can say it. Okay, now here it is 120 degree, it is given, and we have to find out the measurement of angle C. Now see here AB is parallel to DC and BC is the transversal. Okay, and these two angles are on the same side of the transversal and which are opposite interior angles. And we know that the sum of two interior opposite angles of the transversal is 180 degree. So what we will write? Angle C plus angle B. First we will write, since AB is parallel to DC and BC is the transversal, so angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Why? Interior opposite angles of the same side of the transversal. Okay, so that's why their sum is 180 degree. Now angle B is given as 120 degree. Angle C we have to find out. Okay, it's 180 degree. So angle C equals to 180 degree minus 120 degrees. This implies angle C equals to your 60 degree. Okay, so this is very easy to find out. Move to the last sum. Question number 12. Find the measure of angle P. To find out measure of this angle and angle S, if SP this side is parallel to RQ, these two sides are parallel. Okay, in the figure this, if you find measurement of angle R, is there more than one method to find measurement of angle P? Okay, we will discuss it later on. First of all, we will focus on it. So as these two sides are parallel, and see, these two sides are parallel and other two sides are obviously this other two sides are not parallel. Okay, and the measurement of this angle is given as 130 degree. This is a small square shape, that is the measurement of this angle is 90 degree. Okay, this small square shape means 90 degree. Now we have to find out the measurement of angle S and angle P. Okay, now as SP is parallel to RQ and SR is the transversal, so angle S and angle R are the two opposite interior angle of this transversal. Okay, so their sum is equals to 180 degree. So we will write here, SP is parallel to RQ and SR is the transversal. So angle S plus angle R is equals to 180 degree because opposite interior angle of same side of the transversal SR. Okay, so angle S we have to find out. The value of angle R is 90 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle S equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So the value of angle S is 90 degree. Okay. Similarly, we can find out the value of angle P. How? See, again we will write same thing, only SP is parallel to RQ and here PQ or QP is the transversal. PQ is the transversal. Okay, so that's why angle P plus angle Q is equals to 180 degrees. Same reason only, they are the opposite interior angle of the same side of this transversal PQ. So their sum is 180 degree. So angle P we don't know, plus angle Q is 130 degree equals to 180 degree. This implies angle P equals to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So angle P equals to 50 degree. Okay. So this is a method to find out angle S and angle P. Okay. Now if you find measurement of angle R, is there one more is there more than one method to find measurement of angle P? Okay, if you know the measurement of angle R, that is already given, and we have taken out the measurement of angle S, which is 90 degree as well. If we know the measurement of these three angles, can we find out the value of this angle? Yes or no? Yes, because which property? Because sum of angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So here the answer will be yes. This is the second part. This part. Okay, yes, answer will be yes by using angle sum property of a quadrilateral. What it says that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Yes, 360 degree. Now angle P we have to find. Angle Q we know that is 130 degree. Angle R is 90 degree. Angle S is also 90 degree, equals to 360 degree. Now if we add them, you will get what? 90, 90, 180. 180 plus 130 is 310 degree. Okay, so angle P equals to 360 degree minus 310 degree, which is equals to 50 degree. Same result only. So you can use any method to find out the value of angle P here. Okay, hope you have understood this. So this is the last question of our exercise 3.3. In our next video we will start the types of parallelograms. Okay, and then exercise 3.4. Until then, goodbye. And if you want to get all the videos of class 8, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you. Goodbye.